Good morning, everybody. This is K. Balakrishna. Welcome back to the session. Here we are speaking about one of the topic which is called as advertising. And in the advertising subject, we are discussing about one of the topic which is called as ad agencies. What do you mean by an ad agency? Will be discussed in this chapter. Along with this, we will discuss about what are the types of ad agencies, what are the functions of ad agencies in particular to be discussed. Here we'll be discussing what do you mean by an ad agency, what are the functions of ad agencies, both to the manufacturers as well as the media owners. In the past, ad agency just prepared the advertisement, but now it prepares, plans, prepares, evaluates, executes the advertisements into the media vehicle. Not only this, it also checks whether the advertisement is effective or not. So the role of ad agency has been increased n-folds. Now I'll be sharing your screen so that you can clearly know what is the ad agency. Ad agency is role is maximized nowadays. In the past, ad agency can be called as a service organization that plans and executes the advertisement. That plans how ad agency prepares the advertisement and plans the advertisement. That's the only task that is done by the ad agency in the past. But now its focus has been increased. In the second definition by Philip Kotler, you can say that it plans the advertisement, it prepares the advertisement, that is, constructs an advertisement, implements the advertisement, means they run the advertisement into the media, evaluates the advertisement. After running the advertisement into the media, it checks whether the advertisement is working or not. Next, according to Roser and Borton, ad agency consists of creative people with innovative knowledge. Who are the creative people? They are the copywriters. Copywriters are the people who prepare the speaker and written matter in the advertisement. There are designers of the advertisement who use the animated creatures, design the text for the advertisements. They are the media selectors. They select which media to be selected based upon the financial ability of the client. Next, the advisors, they act as advisors. They suggest the companies to minimize the advertising expenditure and maximize the exposure regarding the advertisement. According to American Marketing Association, advertising agencies have split the definition into 4 components so that it is easy to be understood. Advertising agency is independent organization. Why do we say that it is an independent organization? Because it is not concerned with the organization. It is only concerned with the with preparing and planning. Or once the advertising task is completed, it handovers the advertisement and its task is completed. Next, it consists of creative and business people. Just now we have spoken about creative people. Who are the creative people? Copywriters can be called as the creative people. Advisors can be called as the creative people. The art writers can be called as the creative people. Next, apart from this, there are also certain creativity like animators who design the advertising designers and others. Next, who develop advertising agency is an independent business organization composed of creative and business people. What do the creative and business people do? They prepare the advertisement, they formulate the advertisement and place the advertisement into the media. After placing the advertisement into the media, what do? They check whether the advertisement is working or not. This is the definition of advertising agency. What is the functions of ad agency? The first and the foremost function of ad agency is it has having a creative function. Creative function in the sense, take the ad of mango fruity boulder ad, take the ad of Sprite, take the University of Freshology is the caption used by the Sprite, and many other ads. The way of taking the advertisement is creative, or the way of inducing the advertisements into the people is creative. Some use the music as the weapon, some use the feature as a weapon, some use the USP as the weapon, and in this way they use different types in order to bring about advertising exposure successfully. Next, they develop and prepare advertising copy. What is the advertisement copy? Advertisement copy includes the written or spoken part in the advertisement. Who are present there? Writers are present, artists are present, market analysts are present, web designers are present, animators are present, and many others are also present. Next function is approval of the client. Once the advertisement is prepared, they cannot run it into the media. They can run it into the media only after getting approval from the manufacturer. If the manufacturer is not satisfied with the advertisement, they go for the other. Next, media selection. Which media to select? Print media, if it is less cost, less budget. Electronic media, if the budget is high. Sandwich one, if the budget is zero. For social networking, if the budget is zero. In this way, basing upon the advertising budget, they select the media. Media scheduling. What do you mean by media scheduling? Media scheduling means how much time the advertisement must run into the media. How much time the advertisement must be run into the media is called as media scheduling. Media scheduling means the time frame fixed for running the advertisements into the media. When the advertisement must be played, during the program, before which program the advertisement has to be played. All these decisions will be coming under media scheduling. The ad must be few minutes or 1 hour. It is also depending upon the amount of advertising budget that we have seen. Next point is advertisement execution. Advertisement execution will be only done after approval of manufacturer or seller, that is clients. Next point is evaluative function. What do they do after running into the media? It's not the task finished, but later what do they do after running into the media? They try to check whether the advertisement is good, or whether the advertisement is satisfactory, or whether the advertisement is able to increase the awareness among the public. There is also marketing function. Advertising manager also suggests regarding the product packages, product prices, product research, promotion, publicity, and many all promotion activities. Next, research function. The advertising agency helps the clients or the manufacturers to evaluate which TV program is best. What is the mileage of the TV program? All these will be discussed. Next, accounting function. After preparing the advertisement, after running the advertisement into the media also, they give an accounting support to the clients. They say how much expenditure is spent in preparing, how much amount is paid to the media, how much amount of money is paid to the evaluators. Types of ad agencies. There are 3 types of ad agencies. One being the full service agency, interactive agency, creative agencies in this slide. Another 3 slide types of ad agencies will be present in the other slide. What's the meaning of full service agency? An advertising agency which works for large organizations are called as full service agencies. They deal with all stages of advertisement. That is, they can only prepare the advertisement, they can only run the advertisement into the media or perform all the functions. Second is interactive agency. Interactive agency, what do? Is they use technology in advertising. They bring about online advertisements where the advertisement need to be placed and other details also. Next, creative boutiques. They are also the advertising agencies. What do? Is they compose of creative ideas, creative advertisements like guerrilla advertisements, where they also help in positioning of the advertisements into the media also. Next, other types of ad agencies are media buying agencies. What do these media buying agencies do? They buy the space. There are two terms. One is space selling and time selling. If they have to run the advertisement into the television, it will be purely time selling. They have to follow. That is, this many minutes, this much amount of money has to be paid. If the advertisement need to be in the print media, there is space selling. But sometimes space and time selling both will be located in either the print or the electronic and broadcasting media also. Next one is they select the slots when to run the advertisement into the media. Either it is during the commercial time, or during the program time, or during the what we call intermission time. It depends on which channel to be selected and which program in that channel to be selected also. In-house agencies. These are the agencies where the advertisers pay to the ad agent. It is an agency which is run totally by the manufacturer himself. He pays the agencies. Next, he is an inbuilt agency. He works for them. This is about a small brief introduction regarding what are the types of ad agencies, what are the functions of ad agencies, and what are the definitions of ad agencies. These three concepts have to be digested. In short, to speak that it is all the task of the advertisement department is performed by the ad agencies nowadays. There are certain organizations where they do not have any advertisement department, but they have only an outsourced ad agency. Such is the importance of ad agencies in the present day situations in the market. Thank you.